In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up missed call text back Gohighlevel. We're going to walk through the process inside Gohighlevel so you can turn on the missed call text back feature for your account. This is a useful setting because it helps you automatically follow up with people who call but don't get an answer. Instead of letting that lead go cold, you can make sure they receive an immediate text response, which can improve response time and help you capture more opportunities. To begin, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where your navigation menu appears. You'll want to scroll all the way to the bottom of that left-hand column because that's where the settings area is located. When you find it, click on settings. This will take you into the section where you can manage different parts of your account configuration. From there, navigate to phone system. This is the area where Gohighlevel lets you control your calling features, voice settings, and related communication tools. After you open phone system, click on voice. This section contains the options connected to voice calls and call handling. Once you're there, look for the option labeled voicemail and missed call text back and click into it. This is where Gohighlevel groups together voicemail related settings along with the automatic text back feature for missed calls. Next, click on missed call text back. That will bring you directly to the specific setting you need for this setup. On this page, you should see the option to enable missed call text back. Go ahead and turn it on. Once it's enabled, the feature will be active, allowing your account to automatically send a text message when a call is missed. This can be especially helpful if your team isn't always available to answer right away, because it creates an instant touch point with the caller and lets them know their call was noticed. As a quick tip, after enabling the setting, it's always a good idea to review the page carefully and confirm that the feature is switched on correctly. That way, you can be confident everything is set up and ready to work as expected. And that's it. You've successfully set up missed call text back in Gohighlevel. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how quickly you follow up with incoming leads and callers.